Hello guys! In today's video, we will be talking about how to sell templates on Envato Elements. Envato Elements is a subscription-based service that offers access to a vast library of digital assets. This includes millions of stock images, video clips, music tracks, sound effects, and numerous templates for graphics, videos, websites, and more. The platform is designed to be a one-stop shop for creatives, providing everything needed for content creation under one subscription. It is possible to sell templates on Envato Elements. Envato Elements operates as a subscription service where users pay a flat monthly fee for unlimited access to a wide range of digital assets, including templates. To sell your templates on Envato Elements, you need to become an Envato Elements author. This involves creating high-quality, original templates that meet Envato standards and guidelines. But you don't actually have to be a very professional graphic designer or editor. You can make use of some graphic design tools, such as Canva, to make your work easier. However, Envato Elements is a very popular platform, so you have to expect a tough competition. But don't worry, I will try to give some tips on how you can possibly increase your earning potential later in this video. So to become an author, first go to elements.envato.com. Scroll down and you will be able to see all these options here. Under Authors, click on Become an Author. And this is where you're going to apply as an Envato Element author. So click on Apply Now. Then here, just choose which area you specialize in. So let's say graphics. Then just select the category you create the most here. So if you're applying for graphics and add-ons like this, you need to put at least 2 portfolio links. Also, please take note that links should not consist solely of social media profiles such as Instagram, Dribbble, or Behance. And your portfolios should contain 20 or more items. Once you have put your portfolio links here, you just have to tick this box, then click Submit. And once you have submitted your application, Envato Elements will then review it, and it takes them around 2 weeks to review your application. So let's say you have already become their author. The question now is, how can you sell your designs or templates? So since you already have an Envato account, and you're already an author, what you need to do is to upload your designs. But where are you going to upload them? As what it says here, once you have signed up as an author, you are dropped into the dashboard of your chosen marketplace. So earlier, we applied for graphics and add-ons, so most probably you'll get this Graphic River dashboard. So let's check this out. So as you can see here, there are a bunch of graphic templates that can be bought here. They are ranging from $4 to $15. You can also sell your templates within that price range. You can actually create your own templates by using Canva. But first, let's get an idea here. Let's click on Graphic Templates, then Canva. For example, this one. So let's say you want to create a template like this, and you want to sell it, but you don't want to exert so much energy in designing. This is when we're gonna use Canva. And let's search for travel itinerary. So let's just select this one. So we already have a template here, but of course, you won't sell this directly to Envato. You can edit this based on the design that you like. You will just use it as a starting point, so you don't have to start from scratch. So you can change the logos here, the font size, the font style, the color, and so on, just to make your own design. This just took me around 15 minutes to finish this design. But of course, this is just an example and you can still be more creative with your design to increase your chance of sales. Then, once you already have your templates, you can go back to your Graphic River dashboard and upload them here. So of course, you also have to put other information about your items such as description, specifications, file included, and tags so it can be easily seen and searchable on the Envato Element website. Now, when it comes to travel itinerary graphic templates, there aren't many results that will appear here as you can see, which can be an advantage because the competition is not so tough. But it can be a disadvantage as well because a possible reason why there aren't so many results here is because not many people are searching for this item. So there's a possibility of low to zero sales. Now, it's better to choose your niche. By selecting a niche, you can capitalize on these benefits to establish a strong, sustainable, and profitable business. So let's say your niche is travel. Let's also search for other travel templates here. This one shows way more results. It has more than 37,000 templates. With that number of templates, it's quite obvious that the competition here is really tough. So what can you do to increase your sales potential? This strategy that I'm about to share with you might require you to exert extra effort, but will surely give you a higher chance of earning more. What I'm talking about here is searching for organizations or companies related to your niche. So, for example, our niche here is travel, right? You may try to search for travel agencies and try selling your templates to them by sharing your Graphic River profile. You can send them a message through their email, which can be usually found on official websites, or they surely have their social media accounts as well. So for example, this one, you can send them a DM and offer them your items. Your Envato Elements Graphic River profile will serve as your portfolio, and once you share it with them, they might even offer you an opportunity to be their social media manager for their social media accounts if they like your designs. Reaching out directly to businesses or individuals can significantly enhance your earning potential by allowing you to build personal connections and trust, obtain immediate feedback, and adopt a targeted approach to your audience. Additionally, direct engagement provides valuable insights into customer needs, enabling you to tailor your offerings for greater satisfaction and sales. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.